In this video, we are going to draw some of the amazing plot using Matplotlib. So Matplotlib is a library where you can draw 2D graphs in the Python. It is a very amazing library and we can visualize the data very well using Matplotlib library. So first I'm going to import Matplotlib library.py as PLT. So I'm going to use PLT throughout the program. So I'm just naming Matplotlib pyplot as PLT. Okay. Now I'm going to use NumPy also in the program. So I'm importing NumPy as NP, and I'm going to use a random module which is available in the Python. So I'm importing random also. So at the initial stage, I'm going to create a data which is ML and PY. Two students are there, different age group, and I'm going to create a data between 18 to 45, 100 different data, and 15 to 40, 100 different data which are random in nature. So I'm going to create a data and using that same data, I'm going to plot a different kind of plots. So this will create 100 data which is in between 18 to 45 and 15 to 40. Okay, let's see how this data look like. So you can see the first part is a data of ML student and the second one is PY students. So different two category of the students are there and we have created a random data for that. Now I'm going to create a very interesting plot called as a hist plot of the ML data, and the X label will be student R category and Y label will be student of the age. Okay, so when I draw this, it will look like a hist plot look like this. So this is ML data on a title, X label, Y label. So I'm going to plot a plot for a ML data student. So this plot you can see here. Now I can do this with the concept of bin. Now what is the meaning of bin? So the data will be represented between 15 to 20, 20 to 25, the same data. Okay, with the bin logic. So when I plot this plot, you can see a proper category of a data between 15 to 20, 20 to 25, the same plot, but it is with a gap of this. Now I can give width, same data with the bins with a R width of 0.8. So when I do this, the same plot will look like with some gap. So there will be a gap between 15 to 20 with a 0.8 section will be left over here. So 15.8 to 19.2, that data will be represented. So you get plot in terms of bar plot from the hist plot itself. So very amazing way, the same pattern of the data can be visualized in a different format. Okay, I can create the same pattern of a data in the step format also. So I'll just write additional part and that will be a type. So when I run this, I'll get a interesting plot which was like this itself, but in the only bordering form. Okay, great. And now I'm going to create the same data in form of a bar. So the now hist type will be in term of a bar. You can see here. So either you can go with this kind of programming, or only this line will be changed. Okay, this title label are the very simple process. Okay, this is the main line of a total visualization. Okay. Now the same kind of plot can be visualized horizontally. So orientation I'm going to do in terms of horizontal. So same plot can be seen on the horizontal. I can change the color of the horizontal plot, like blue instead of blue I can go for a yellow. Okay, I can make it red also. These are the very small thing you can change as per your requirement visualization. Okay. Now I'm going to add the label and the color is M. Okay, let's see. So there will be a label now. Okay, so you can make it red if you want. You can change the label as per your requirement. Okay, now I'm going to plot again two different hist plot for ML student and PY student with bar chart, and orientation will be horizontal Okay, and label will be also given in the programming itself. So when I run this, I'm going to get the plot in terms of 50-50 part. The different data will be represented with two different colors. Okay, so now this will be the complete his plot. I would name it as an amazing plot in the Matplotlib. Now I'm going to start with a bar chart which are available, which we can plot using Matplotlib. So first I'm going to import Matplotlib as PLT, PyPlot as a PLT, NumPy as NP, and Matplotlib, and I'm going to take one more part of Matplotlib, and that is the style. Now I'm creating one list, and that will be having Python, R, AI, ML, and DS. I'm going to take a different list of a student, class 1, class 2, class 3. Okay, so 4 different lists has been created, and I'm going to create a bar chart for only classes. That means Python, R, AI, ML, DS, and the class 1 students. So on the x-axis, we'll be having a different topic name, and on the y-axis we'll be having a number of students. Okay, I can add the x-axis label, y-axis label, plus I can add the total label of the or title of the chart. Similarly, I'm going to change the color of this. So border will be in term of M color, or if you don't want, you can go for a red color also with a width of 5. I can make a width of 3 also to look it in a better format. Okay, so beautifully you can represent a graph. So align, that means I'm going to add the 0.3 width in the edge with the yellow color. Color will be yellow, the edge color will be red, and the graph look like very pretty. Okay, now I'm going to make again the plot, and this plot will be in terms of 3 different things. So bar chart, and bar chart. But first will be the x, second will be the class number 1. Next will be the class index again with class number 2. Class index again with the class number 3. But we need to add some width, and that width basically represent the total length and width of the plot. When you plot this graph, it will be a comparison of class A, class B, and class C. Class 1, class 2, and class 3. And a plot is ready with you in terms of different color. Okay, now I can do it in terms of horizontal also. If I want it, I can do it in the horizontal also. Number of students on this side. Okay, I can change the label as per class, and this will be on number of student as per my requirement. Okay, this is very simple. Only the line of code you need to understand. This is not much difficult of the last part. The only tricky part is this one. But once you practice it, it will be easy for you to understand and grab the thing with a different visualization, amazing plot of a Matplotlib.